What are the important keywords for us to remember for the exam? The first one is waggle dance and the round dance. Round dance is performed when the food sources are very nearer for the bees, and then it is also giving us the direction with respect to the sun. And eusocial insects. Eusocial behavior is nothing but, you know, right, queen bee will be there in one hive wherein all worker bees will be working for the queen bee for both food source and protection, right? So these worker bees are female and they are sterile, and this queen bee is supported by this worker bees. So there is a clear cut division of labor, and queen bee secretes pheromones which make these worker bees sterile. If any worker bees will be able to give birth to the other bees, they will become sterile because of the pheromones secreted by the queen bee. So this is the mechanism, and then this division of labor and cooperative brooding, because queen bee reproduces and all these female working bees will help queen bee to reproduce, and this cooperative brooding behavior, everything is called eusocial behavior. And the foraging communication, just now we saw it performs both waggle dance and round dance to give information about the food sources. So this is called foraging communication. So these are all the keywords which are important for our exam. So this communication is called symbolic communication of insects. So already UPSC has asked about honeybees, so please concentrate